In today's lesson, we're going to multiply two fractions and then reduce them to their lowest terms. So multiply the fractions and make sure the answer is in lowest terms. So here's our two fractions, 1/6 times 2/5. And the first step is when you're multiplying two fractions, multiply the numerators together and multiply the denominators together. So this is how we do multiplication in fractions. Multiply the tops and multiply the bottoms. So when you multiply the top, 1 times 2 equals 2, and then the bottom is 6 times 5, which equals 30. The next step is to make sure the answer is reduced to lowest terms. So you need to figure out what number divides into both the numerator and the denominator. So let's take 2 over 30, which is our answer here, and we need to divide both the top and bottom by a number that they're both divisible by. So 2 is divisible by 2, and so is 30. 2 can't really be divided by anything else except itself and 1. So we're going to use 2. So divide the top and bottom by 2, and the answer becomes 1 over 15. So you have to do that to both the numerator and denominator to keep the fraction equivalent. So that's the end of the lesson. Don't worry if you don't understand that right away. You could just rewatch the video, and there's nothing wrong with repetition. Also, if you need extra help, take a look at the description. I have videos in there that are similar to this as well. You could make sure to download the ebook. In the ebook, there's this exact lesson in it. You could follow along in the ebook as you watch the video. There's a link to this. It'll take you to this exact video. Please make sure to like and subscribe, and thank you so much for listening.